Hi, this is Glenda. This is a very quick share. Sam at Mixed Up Craft recently showed this double tower card, which I thought was rather cool, and it stands up and it folds flat into a 5x7 envelope, and I just thought it was really good. So I cut my first one out. I'm not going to do a tutorial because there's already an excellent tutorial out there, and I will put a link to it in the description. When I cut my first test one out, I wasn't happy with my accuracy, so I made a scan and cut file. So what I have today is one of my measurement sheets, so that I can have that with me as a record, and also a scan and cut file. So if you want those, they're linked in the description, along with a link to Mixed Up Craft's video on how to do these. So thanks for watching.